Hello everyone. In today's tutorial, I'll be guiding you through the step-by-step process of setting up and using a very essential tool for email marketing, Mailchimp. We'll start from the basics, understanding what Mailchimp is and why it's so useful, how to set up your account, adding contacts, and crafting your first email campaign. Stick with us till the end to ensure you get every step along the way. Let's begin by heading over to any browser like I am using Chrome and simply search for Mailchimp. Then click on the website that appears, which is mailchimp.com. Next, at the top right corner of the page, you'll see two options, login and sign up. If you already have a Mailchimp account, click on login. But if you're new and want to get started, click on the sign up button. For this tutorial, I'm creating a new account, so I'll just click on the sign up button. As you scroll down, you'll notice that the website is prompting us to choose or purchase a paid plan. Options include Premium, Standard, Essentials, and lastly, there's a free option. As of now, let's stick with the free plan. On this page, we need to provide our business email. Then we'll enter the username we want. For example, I'm typing TeachMeTips. After that, we'll choose our password, making sure it meets the minimum requirements listed over here. Next, click on the checkbox if you don't want to receive any further emails related to Mailchimp updates. Finally, hit the sign up button. Complete this verification task and confirm that you're not a robot. After completing the verification, there might be a loading period. Eventually, you'll receive an email asking you to activate your account. Simply head over to your email inbox and find the email from Mailchimp. So this is how the mail looks like, which contain a link or button to activate account. Click on this button and it will take you to a new page. Here you'll be asked to provide some information about yourself. This includes your first name, last name, business name, your phone number. You can choose to skip providing your phone number if you prefer. Once you've filled out the necessary details, click on the Next button to proceed. Next, you'll need to provide your physical business address. Fill in this information. And then click on the Next button to continue. At this stage, you may be prompted to provide additional information about your business. However, you can simply skip these steps if you prefer. Then, again, you'll encounter another prompt to purchase a paid plan. But since we're sticking with the free plan, click on the Continue button. A pop-up will appear indicating that your account is being prepared. And finally, the Mailchimp dashboard has appeared. On the left side, you'll notice several options such as Campaign, Audience, Analytics, and many more. If you click on the Campaign option, you'll get an overview of all your existing campaigns. However, since we're just starting out, there won't be any data available yet. Moving forward, if you click on the Audience tab and select All Contacts, you'll be able to see all your contacts listed there. However, at this point, you'll likely only see one contact, which is automatically added based on the details you used to sign into your account. Now, if you click on Add Contacts, you'll see two options. The first option is to import contacts, and the second is to add a single contact. If you choose to import contacts, you can do so by uploading a CSV file, or you can simply copy and paste from your Excel sheet. Select whichever method you prefer. And if you select the second option, you'll need to add each contact separately by filling out the required details. Let me show you. The email field is mandatory, and you'll also need to provide the first name and last name. Optionally, you can fill out the address and phone number fields if you want. Lastly, you'll need to confirm whether this person has given us permission to email them, and then click on the subscribe button. Upon completing the subscription process, a confirmation message will appear indicating that your mission has been accomplished and the email was successfully added. You can then navigate to the overview section and observe that there are now 2 subscribed contacts listed. Now navigate to the settings section, and after selecting audience name and defaults, scroll down to find the option where you can change the default email through which your contacts will receive emails. Additionally, you can also change the name here if you wish, but for now, we'll keep them as they are. Scroll down further and click on this button to save your changes. And we can see the settings have been applied successfully. Moving ahead in our process, we'll now create a campaign by clicking on the Create button. You'll notice several options here, but since we're planning for an email campaign, click on this Design Email button. And here comes the crucial steps or options which we have to edit, like the first important step is to select the recipients who will receive the emails. You can change this by clicking on the Edit option and adjust it according to your preference. The second step is to choose the email address from which you want to send the email. You can modify this by selecting it here. Additionally, you can also change the name associated with the email address from this section. The third step is where we'll add the subject for our email. For example, I'm adding congratulations. After entering the subject, click on the Save button. Next is the send time, means you can change the time you want your emails to be sent. Like you can send this now, or you can schedule a desired time you want. So as of now, we will stick to the Send Now option and click on Save button. Now, it's time for the last and most important step of this campaign, which is to design our email. Click on the Design Email button. And a page will appear where you can see some predefined templates. As you scroll down, you'll notice that some templates are marked as Upgrade to Use. This means they are available with a paid plan. So we will simply select a free template by clicking on Apply. So let's go. Here's the template that we can edit or modify according to our needs. If we want to remove any element, we can simply click on it and then delete it. We can also add a logo by clicking on the Set Logo button and select an image. You can also adjust the size of the logo as needed. Additionally, you can edit the heading of our email here. I'll go ahead and delete all of this for now. Now we'll type the main content of the email in this section. As you can see, I am typing this. These are the social media icons which you can add your link from here, like Facebook, Instagram. And if you want, then you can also replace something like, I want to replace X with YouTube. Then we will simply go here, click on the X icon, select YouTube, and then type or paste the URL of your YouTube channel. After that, click on the Done button. This is the footer of the email, which you can customize according to your preferences. I'll just leave this for now. If you want, you can also change the color and styles of the background and text. Simply click on the Style option, then select Body Color. Here we will try something in the shade of blue. Then click on the Done button. Then select Background Color and I'll set it to something like white. Again, click on the Done button. Here are many more options available, so feel free to change or customize this template as you wish. This is just for the tutorial purpose, so I am leaving this customization part up to you. You can edit or change anything according to your need and preferences. One more thing to note. If you want to add any elements like a paragraph, a heading, or a logo, simply click and hold on any of these utilities and drag them to the template area. If you want to delete something, you can click on the Remove Block option. Once you've completed all your email customization, simply click on Save and Exit. And here you'll see that all these steps are now completed. Now in the top right corner, you'll notice the Send button. Simply click on this button. And it will ask us if we're ready to send the email to our 2 contacts. So just click on Send Now to proceed. And finally, you'll see the message here that's written as "Nice job, your email is sending." Now again, if you go back to the campaign section and click on All Campaigns, you can check all your campaigns here. Specifically, if you click on Emails, it will show your email campaigns, including the one we created right now. Again, if you want to create a new campaign, you can do so by simply clicking over here. And that's all for today. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative videos like this. Thank you.